guys, it is Allison. So today I am doing a busy college day in my life, college vlog, whatever you want to call it. I just got back from class. It's almost 1. I got out kind of early and actually like the power went out like in the building I was in, so like that was a bit weird. So I literally was walking like back to my dorm, like it was like pitch black basically, so it was very weird. It's like almost like the apocalypse, like very weird. Anyways, so then after I got out of class, I went to the student center to get some sushi because I didn't have any food here that I could eat. So I was like, you know, I'll just get some sushi. Also didn't want to cook because I was gonna have dinner tonight for an outing with Kalahi, which is a Philippine Student Association organization kind of thing, which we're part of, and we usually do something on Wednesdays. It's either like a meeting or some type of event. So that's usually what my Wednesdays kind of look like, from like 4 to 6. But since we're going to an outing, I might not get back until like 7 or 8. So yeah, that's a bit about that. So I'm going to that at 4. We're meeting in like one of the buildings around 4:15. So I'll probably like head there around like 4. So that's kind of what's happening today. I'm gonna try and do a bunch of work after I finish lunch so that I can be busy and do something productive, because I know that I'm not gonna do any work when I come back. So yeah, so that's pretty much what's happening. Also, we did our AKA reveals last week, which if you guys don't know, AKA stands for Ate, Kuya, and Ading. I'll put on the screen what it means. But yeah, so I have Kuya and Ate, which is really great because not every family has that. So yeah, I mean, in terms of our like Kalahi family. So yeah, really excited about that. So we like met last weekend or last Thursday, and we did like a little hangout and got bubble tea and just talked and just, you know, got to know each other. So it was really nice. They're really great people. So I'm excited to see them today. And yeah, so that's pretty much what's happening today. We're just gonna go to a Filipino restaurant for our event, which is what the outing is. And yeah, gonna be great. So yeah, I'll definitely try and like vlog stuff, but like it's not gonna be a lot because I don't want to be weird around people that I just met. So yeah, but maybe like in the future I'll definitely vlog. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. I'm gonna eat lunch now and just relax since I went to classes all day. So yeah. Hey guys, so I just finished getting ready. I probably look a lot better than I did earlier, but yeah, I just straightened my hair real quick because it was just not looking cute earlier, and I just quickly did my makeup because my face was just not looking cute either. So literally I had to, you know, and also Filipinos, you don't love to take pictures. So I was like, I gotta look decent. So yeah, I'm about to head out. Everyone literally just keeps texting me, so I have to go. I'm gonna be late, so I'll catch up with you guys later. Hey guys, so I just literally came to my room and it's like 7 right now, so I just came back like I said. And yeah, I didn't vlog much because literally there was just so many things happening and everybody was like really loud, so wasn't able to do that. So yeah, but the food was good. It was just really cool to like just like sit down, eat, and just like chat with people. So that was really great. We even took like a bunch of pictures. I mean, like that's like not uncommon, obviously. So it was literally like, so I'm excited to see like the pictures and how they all turned out. There was like, the train was like a bit delayed, like I don't know what happened, but yeah, we finally got home. I think we left around 6:15 or something, so it's about 7 now. So it wasn't super long. The train ride was like I think 45 minutes normally, so yeah, but yeah, I'm just tired now. Today's a long day, so I'm just gonna take off my makeup, relax, and just chill. I think I'm gonna call my parents, so I think I might do that, and then I'll start getting ready for bed. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Probably wasn't interesting because I feel like I didn't really vlog that much, but yeah, so I guess I'll talk to you guys next time. Thank you guys so much for watching, and maybe I might vlog tomorrow actually. I'll probably just do that since this vlog is kind of short. So yeah, hey guys, it is Allison. So it is Thursday, so it's the next day. I thought that I would kind of carry on the vlog, just because I feel like yesterday I didn't really vlog that much, just because I thought I was gonna vlog more, so I didn't vlog as much. So yeah, hopefully that makes sense. Right now it's like almost 2:30, and I just got back to my dorm, or my room, because I just came back from having like literally like an hour lunch with my sister in the dining halls, and we like kind of like talked outside of my apartment. So yeah, just catching up with life, more like she's just telling me stuff and I'm just like, cool. So yeah, we were just talking, and then she had to go, and so I had to get some work done, so I'm back here. Yeah, it's kind of dreary out today, which doesn't make me happy, but you know, we're just gonna make do with what we got. I have to do laundry today. I also have to cook dinner, so I'm gonna have to do that. So I want to make sure I get some work done before I do that. I'm thinking of cooking and then doing laundry, just because I feel like since I'm gonna be cooking, I don't know, I feel weird about it. I'm like, you know, I just want to take I don't know, clean the clothes I was cooking in, and you know, all that. I feel like it's just gonna smell and everything. So yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. Hopefully no one else is gonna be doing the laundry later tonight, because I think a lot of my roommates, or a lot of my suite mates, housemates do. So cross your fingers I can do that, because I have to do another load tomorrow for my darks. So yeah. Anyways, I thought I would just quickly intro today's section of the vlog, and hopefully I can vlog more later on. So thought I'd just intro this for you. Hey guys, so I'm in the bathroom right now, and I just finished brushing my teeth, and I thought that I would show you guys like this mask that I'm doing, because I don't think I've talked about this on my channel, but basically I have these like weird little bumps on my forehead especially, that I thought for so long it was acne, and I would put a bunch of like drying lotion on it and realized it was not acne. I think it's like some type of other acne, but it's not like the ones where you get like pimples and all that. So I'm using this thing called Nicorzol. It's like a anti-dandruff shampoo. You can actually use it on your face, and so I'm using it right now. I'm about to, but I've been using it since Tuesday, so it's still like pretty. It's like something I've been doing like every single night since Tuesday, so I can't really say much about this yet. I'm gonna try it for a week every single day, and then we'll see. I'll let you guys know, and then if the results are good, then I'll just switch out to like do it every other. So yeah, that is the thing I'm using for my mask. I know it's kind of weird, but I've like watched a bunch of reviews, so hopefully this works. I'll let you guys know, keep you guys updated. So I'm just gonna put that on my face, and then wash my face, and then do my skincare and all that. Guys, right now it is almost 10 o'clock, and normally I'd be like in bed right now, just like chilling and unwinding, but I just took my clothes out of the dryer, so they're literally like on my bed, and I'm going to put them away and all of that. But I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. Hopefully you guys liked it. I don't know, for me, I feel like I've filmed so many vlogs and none of them have been uploaded, because I just feel like it may not be interesting. So hopefully this is interesting for you guys. I'm gonna, like I said, after I put all my clothes away, I'm gonna go and lay down and just relax. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this vlog, and give this video a thumbs up if you guys like it and want more vlogs, maybe like college vlogs, I guess, because since I'm a college student. And don't forget to subscribe. I post every Friday, so if you don't want to miss out on future videos, don't forget to subscribe. And I guess with that being said, thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye!